I'm Jim Sorrell. I'm the product manager for Hydraway Drainage Systems. I'm here to talk to you today about drainage systems for your foundations. You as a homeowner have several options when you look at drainage systems. The Hydraway drainage system has been manufactured for over 30 years. It was originally invented for highway edge drains. Now it is being manufactured for athletic fields worldwide in tens of thousands of homes across the Midwest. What makes Hydraway drainage systems so unique is its high inflow ratings. This is the Hydraway drainage systems without its high flow geotextile cover on it. As you can see, it has available open space for water intake of over 75% of the surface. This particular product is called 4-inch perforated pipe. It has a flow rating of 32 gallons per lineal foot per minute, with the inflow rating of only 4 to 5% open space for water intake. Compare that with Hydraway drainage systems at 10.5 gallons per minute. One would naturally think that the 4-inch perforated pipe will outperform the Hydraway drainage systems. We're about to show you right now how that works. I've taken this 4-inch perforated pipe and mounted it in a bucket. The water will be coming out the bottom. We're going to dump 5 gallons of water into this bucket. When the water gets down to 1 gallon left, we will then stop the clock on this particular product. Now we're going to time it. Jeremy, can you give me a hand, please? Go. And time on that. 27 seconds to get the water, 5 gallons of water, down to the 1 gallon level. Now we're going to do the same test utilizing a Hydraway drainage system through this bucket. Keep in mind I have one single strand of Hydraway here, and you're going to find out how fast the water will rapidly go through this bucket. Understand that the Hydraway drainage system has over 75% open space for water intake. Jeremy, can you give me a hand, please? As you can see, the Hydraway drainage system outperforms the standard 4-inch perforated pipe bucket. Now we're going to do the same test showing how fast water goes through the Hydraway bucket here with double rows of 6-inch. The reason why you might consider putting in 6-inch doubled up in your foundation is because of the hydrostatic pressure that may build up in your foundation, and this will guarantee to get the water out of there. As you can see, the Hydraway doubled up 6-inch outperforms a standard 4-inch perforated pipe, as well as my single-inch. Now we're going to do the same test with another product that's commonly found in the marketplace today. This particular product does not sit down next to the footing like the Hydraway drainage system. It actually sits up on the footing. Keep in mind, water does go to the lowest point, so you'd want the Hydraway system down next to the footing. As you can see, the Hydraway drainage systems, both single and double, outperforms 4-inch perforated pipe and this particular product that's on the market as well. Next time you're considering a foundation drainage systems, consider Hydraway drainage systems from your local contractor. Thank you.
Ask for the Hydraway drainage system today, only at Nash.